Today we're making a rainbow pipe cleaner flower. First, prepare 7 pipe cleaners in different colors. You can choose any color combination you like. Cut each one into a 10 cm piece and a 20 cm piece. Wrap the 10 cm piece around the center of the 20 cm one to secure it. Fold both sides down, pinch the base, and twist to secure. Trim off any excess pipe cleaner. Your petal is now complete. Next, let's make the center stamens from pipe cleaners. Take one pipe cleaner and fold it back and forth like this. Gently stretch it out after folding. Finally, take 6 to 7 actual stamens, and we can start assembling. First, bend all petal bases at a right angle for easy gluing. Attach the pipe cleaner stamp by adding glue to one end and fixing it to the stem. Then apply glue to the remaining stamens and wrap them around the stem. Next, add glue to the base of the pipe cleaner stamina. Attach the stamens round its base one by one. Make sure all stamens are the same length. Now, attach the petals. Apply glue to the base of a petal. Attach it just below the stamens. Continue attaching the remaining petals the same way. Ensure all petals are evenly spaced and at the same height. After attaching, use a lighter to lightly melt the base for a cleaner, for a thinner look. Adjust each petal to create a beautiful curve. Finally, wrap the stems with floral tape. And your colorful pipe cleaner flower is all done!